Hi guys, Fred Zinn here, Guarantee RV Super Center. Today I'm going to show you a 2019 Catalina 26TH. Come on in, I'm going to show you. Now this is a toy hauler for quads, maybe one of the little side-by-sides, but when you come in here, this turns into a patio. You got railing that goes all the way outside. And then when you come in here, this folds into a bed as well as the one on the other side, or it can be a side-by-side dinette. You got two little swivel rockers. And then you got storage above. In the galley, you got storage above. Got a dual sink, nice residential faucet, full extending drawers for silverware, a little more storage here. And then you got a 3-burner Furrion cooktop, nice little microwave, and a Furrion stove. Double door fridge. Come on back into the bedroom. Oh, we got your entertainment center, your DVD player, more storage. So you come in here to the bathroom, got a nice corner shower, got your medicine cabinet, your sink, place for washcloths. Behind the toilet, you got place for towels. And then when you come into the bedroom, you got a nice walk around queen size bed, and then you got power outlets on both sides. And then you got a wardrobe to hang coats and storage above on both sides. And then you also have storage below. Come on outside and we'll show you the rest. Got 2 outside speakers, a nice full-size power awning. When you are using your patio, if you look at the top of the door, there's a net that goes down and keeps the bugs out. Then you got a vent right here if you're just let all the fumes out. Got your outside storage shower, and then you got your fresh water connections. Guys, if you'd like more information on this 2019 Catalina 26 toy hauler, give me a call. My name's Fred. My number is 541-729-9500. Thanks for looking.